Previously owned and gently loved by a dedicated enthusiast, this Land Rover Defender 110 carries a legacy of adventure and care, now ready for its next chapter. Every detail reflects power and purpose, from the white Heritage Edition mesh grille to the tubular winch bumper equipped with a worn 10S Platinum winch, prepared for any expedition. Its super white full gloss finish paired with an eggshell black roof creates a bold yet refined presence that turns heads on every road. Built to conquer any terrain, this Defender rides on 20-inch custom E.C.D wheels wrapped in rugged Toyo Open Country MT tyres. At its core lies a GM 6.2-litre LS3 V8 engine, delivering an exhilarating 600 horsepower seamlessly paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission for unmatched performance and reliability. Equipped with a Fox 2-inch lift kit and Willwood brakes, this Defender offers precision handling and exceptional stopping power, no matter the challenge. Step inside to discover a world of luxury. Corbeau RRS seats, wrapped in super soft black leather with double diamond stitching in scarlet red, offer unparalleled comfort and style. Every element from the black suede headliner to the black luxury pile carpet is crafted to perfection, creating a sophisticated and inviting cabin. Feel the connection with the Momo Quark steering wheel, while all American Series gauges provide precision and clarity for every mile. Stay connected wherever you go with modern amenities, including wireless charging, 110-volt outlets, and USB ports conveniently placed throughout the cabin. This Defender 110 effortlessly combines iconic style, modern performance, and luxury to create the ultimate driving experience. Lovingly maintained and fully equipped for your next adventure, this Land Rover Defender 110 is available now. Contact us today for details and make it yours.